In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct spelling mistakes in Microsoft Word with a single click. Whether you're writing an essay, a report, or any other document, catching and fixing spelling errors quickly can save time and make your work look polished and professional. To start, open your document in Microsoft Word. As you type, Word automatically underlines words it thinks may be misspelled with a red squiggly line. This is your first indicator that a word might need correction. To fix the mistake quickly, right-click on the underlined word. A small menu will appear showing suggested corrections. Simply click on the correct spelling, and Word will replace the misspelled word instantly. This allows you to fix errors without having to retype anything manually. For documents with multiple errors, you can use the Review tab to correct them more systematically. Go to the top menu and click on Review. Then choose the Spelling and Grammar option. Word will scan your entire document and stop at each potential error, offering suggestions for corrections. You can accept a suggestion with a single click, ignore it, or add the word to your dictionary if it's a proper noun or specialized term that Word doesn't recognize. This feature is especially helpful when reviewing long documents, as it ensures no mistakes are overlooked. Another useful tip is to customize your autocorrect settings. Go to File, select Options, and then click on Proofing. From there, choose the Autocorrect Options button. You can add common words, abbreviations, or phrases that Word should automatically correct as you type. This can prevent repeated errors and further speed up your workflow. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, pressing F7 opens the Spelling and Grammar Checker, allowing you to quickly move through each suggestion and apply corrections with minimal effort. This keeps your hands on the keyboard and makes editing faster. By using these built-in tools, you can correct spelling mistakes in Word efficiently, maintain professional-looking documents, and reduce errors in your writing. And that's it. Now you know how to fix spelling mistakes in Microsoft Word with a single click. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.